Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Lelit Martin X with us in the shop. And I came in for the issue of having the machine was powering up. The heating element light was flashing, but the actual machine was not heating up at all. And so what we ended up doing is we replaced the heating element. As you can see, this one has a lot of scale on it. And so pretty much this just had went bad. And so we replaced it with a brand new one. We're just going to run some water out through the front before we brew the shot, but we're going to put our portafilter in here. We didn't do anything else to the machine apart from I wanted to clean the steam head because there was a lot of milk on it, so I did clean that. But we're going to start running the shot. Don't worry if this runs a little too fast or slow. We don't calibrate our grinders to the machines at all. We're just going to let it run. Around 9-10 bars. It's actually a pretty good shot. Let it run for a little bit. And then mainly we're wanting to look at is steam coming out of the steam one, because that indicates that the steam boiler is on. So let's move that out the way. And then now we're just going to run this. As you can see, steam coming out as normal. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.